God's Day. It is 2:17 in the afternoon, Philippine time zone. Kuya Nonoy speaking from Barangay Dalisayan, Rook 6, formerly Alegria Street, Zamboanga City, Mindanao, Philippines, 7,000. I am going to present to you one of the concepts that will be beneficial when it comes to housing for ordinary families as well as the can afford families. The house that I have visualized will be composed of light materials, commonly made of fiberglass or the latest plastic component similar to fiberglass.
Go.
With this kind of light material for building construction, there is no need for concrete cement, which is a danger to life and property, as well as in making concrete materials, it consumes much of the agricultural soil needed for food production. This house is foldable, transportable. It can be colorful from the outside through the use of colorful window curtains, wall curtains, at the color preference of the owner. From the outside, it is not an ordinary house. It is convertible. Should there be a storm coming, it can easily be folded, transported on a simple carrier and moved to far places opposite the path of the storm. For the safety of the occupants, there is a ready extinguisher of fire. This is an innovation. It is not water that will extinguish the fire. There is a oxygen sucker working on the principle of the vacuum cleaner. The occupants have ready gas masks if they want to stay inside the house or go outside. The oxygen sucker is intended to suck the oxygen from the room, the atmosphere, because oxygen is the factor which causes rapid combustion of material when it starts. This is a special feature. For those who are interested, you can contact me with the number below. Mga mahal na kaibigan, itagalog ko na po, ang bahay na ito na pinopropose ay hindi karaniwan. Ito po ay bubuin ng mga materyales na tinatawag na fiberglass and other plastic similar fiberglass materials na makikita ang nasa loob ng magagandang color ng kortina, pang pader, pang bintana. Magaan po ito at kung may bagyong darating, madali pong tiklopin at ikarga sa isang sasakyan at pumunta sa malayo na hindi maapekto ng bagyo. Paglipas may babalik po muli. Matatawag natin mobile home, foldable home, portable home po ito. Hindi po ito magasto. Ready na mga material. Ito po ay para sa atin upang makaiwas tayo sa disgrasya ng mga gumuguho kapag lumilindol. Kapag lumindol po, hindi naman po ito guguho dahil napakagaan. Ang lindol, segundo lang po ang tagal. Upang maging maligaya tayo, iniimbita ko kayo na magpagawa ng ganito. Maraming salamat po. Kuya Nono ito, Michael Dawn, Art, Ubiquitous Crescendo. Thank you. To God be the glory. Amen.